Today I played Gelli Plate again today, and today was mask making day. I made some masks out of cardboard from a cereal box and some scrap pieces of Duralar, and this is from a thin piece of plastic sleeving. And I made masks over top of things that had been previously printed and pulled prints and ghost prints. This was one of my favorite ones for the day, and it's actually on a piece of tissue paper, which I think is kind of interesting. And then these are different prints and different pulls. I like the color combinations and just doing a lot of experimenting, seeing the way different things come out, and looking at what elements I enjoy and which things I could live without. Like how much contrast there is. See you later.